Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name on Uber. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber is a transportation and ride-sharing technology company that allows passengers to book rides and drivers to share charge fares and get paid via a smartphone app. By hiring independent contractor as driver, Uber created a new business model that changed the way traditional transportation companies operated. Since its inception, Uber services have contributed to the expansion of the sharing economy, supplying a means of connecting existing researchers, cars, and driver with buyer passenger without the company having to own any of the physical resources facilitating the services. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create the Uber account. But now, what if you want to change your name? For some reason, you want to change your name on your Uber ride. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open the Uber app. After that, you can go to your account. Here, so you can see my name, Solusi TP. You can change it by tap on settings. You can go to settings. You can open your profile, your name in here. Now you can go to personal info. You can change your name in here. Tap on your name and you can just change your first name. After that, you can just tap on update. So now you have changed your name on your Uber account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your name on Uber. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.